Guys, it is Black Friday where everyone is basically shopping the internet for affordable items. These items go all the way from clothing to electronics or even furniture box, because guess what? Most of these online brands have shifted or have broken down their prices into affordable prices. That by so doing implying greater discounts that you find very interesting when shopping on their catalogs. So if you're interested to know more about these affordable websites that offer the best competitive prices that you find on the internet during this Black Friday, you've landed on the right video, as I'll be providing a list of these websites just so you can shop conveniently and at affordable prices. So without any further ado, guys, let's dive into this tutorial. So before we proceed any further, I would like to emphasize on the fact that you check that video description for important links mentioned in this video. So the first shopping brand I'll be talking about is SHEIN. If you've shopped at SHEIN before, you should know that when it comes to affordable shopping, SHEIN typically deserves its place. Okay, so SHEIN is one of the affordable shopping retailers that you find very appealing out there. And this Black Friday, they offer up to 90% off of their branded items. Okay, if you're looking for anything going from women, curve, kids, men, fall and winter, and everything that you need is typically on this SHEIN, as long as it concerns clothing. And one thing that you should also know about this SHEIN is that, in fact, one thing that I love about them is that they offer trendy items. Okay, any item that is on the trend, you should find it at SHEIN, and at what? At a very competitive price. And now it has even, the prices have even skyrocketed, the way that you would be getting items at even way more cheaper rates as compared to most clothing retailers out there. So you just want to check this SHEIN and see the catalogs of items that they definitely have to offer at affordable prices this Black Friday. If you're more into shopping men and women clothing, then ASOS is one of the best options that you should consider. So they focus on both men and women clothing from the best brands that you find in the market. So when you come to their website, you see that they have a lot of brands, that they partner with a lot of brands to offer clothing items that you find very appealing. You have brands like New Balance, Adidas, and many more interesting brands that you find very appealing. And what I love with them is their discounts. Okay, their discount, even though isn't as convenient as that of SHEIN, they have a very impressive discount. And if you shop from their clothing, from the catalog, there's a great chance that they will be offering you discounts to your email. So you just want to subscribe to the email to get your clothing items at cheaper rates. Also, don't forget that ASOS is on Black Friday as well, so there's a great chance that you'll be shopping off the best and affordable prices in the market right now with ASOS. So if you're looking for something with branded, that's actually branded from the top brands, then ASOS is your option to visit. Okay, so what are you waiting for? Just check out their catalogs. Now, H&M, the discount king for every lady that every lady typically loves. Are there ladies there? I'm typically sure they are, and you know what I'm talking about. So H&M is a clothing retailer, an affordable clothing retailer that you find very interesting as a lady. If you haven't visited this site before, you just want to come and see the different catalogs that they offer. If you scroll down all the way, you will see the discount prices that they've made. Let's say this short t-shirt that is $5.99 US. Now you can see the discount has gone like almost, as you can see, that 90%, and now it's available at $1.99 US. So you can see the discount rate here is at minus 67%, minus 67, minus discount. You have up to even 90% discounts on some items. Okay, the featured items are just what you see on this page here, but if you go deeper into their catalog, you will find even discounted items that are going to shock you actually. So what are you waiting for? Is there any lady there? Just go check out this H&M, because they are the discount kings for all of you guys. So next we have Uniqlo. Uniqlo, a destination for women and kids in particular. So they don't just limit to these women and kids. They also have catalogs for men as well, but their main focus are on women, kids, and babies. Okay, when you come to the website, you just have to scroll their catalogs. You see that they have interesting things for kids. So if you're looking for where to get those interesting clothing items for your kids, then Uniqlo is the first destination that you want to check for the discounted retailers for this Black Friday. So when you scroll all their catalogs, you see the different prices, amazing prices, and even useful guides that you need when shopping at their catalogs. Okay, let's say that we go to this babies catalog. You see that they have items for newborns and infants from 0 to 24 meters, and then they also have toddlers and many more. Okay, and going to the kids tab, you see that they also have interesting items for kids as well as women and men equally. So this Uniqlo have, what I love about them in particular is their discounts. Okay, they have this system of discounts that they send you discount to your email, just as many other retailers do, but these ones, they have very special in their discounts, in that the discounts can be used for a couple of items. You can have them in your bag, in your shopping cart, and then you just shop at their retailers. Okay, and also one more thing is that you have free shipping for all orders over $99. So you just want to shop affordably with Uniqlo. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try. Next on our list, we have Forever 21. So I used to come to this Forever 21. I wanted to shop with the buy now pay later payment scheme. Okay, and later on I found out that they have very interesting pricing and interesting offers as well. First, when you come to their website, you see that they have this little pop-up, this banner right here, which says 15% off. Yes please, that they just ask you to sign up with your email. So when you sign up with your email, you'll be receiving interesting offers from the Forever 21 team, and when you receive them, they are unique for your account. That's one thing that's great. They are unique for your account in a way that you can easily apply them to your shopping cart. And just as the other retailers that I've mentioned earlier, they focus on clothing. Okay, so just as you see when you come to the website, you see that their main focus is on women clothing, because when you scroll the way, you see typically women items that you have to shop for. So if you're a lady looking for your shopping destination this Black Friday, then you want to consider visiting this Forever 21. Well, before I used to shop for PNPL items, but now like this, you can even shop for affordable prices because they are typically in competition with the other retailers. So what are you waiting for? Where are my stylish and classic guys? This is a shopping retailer for you. So Boohoo is the next retailer, the next affordable clothing brand on this list. So what I love about this Boohoo is that they have items for men as well. If you are this guy that love these classic items like the hoodie and all the rest, you will find it at a very affordable price here. If you come to their website, you will see that they have a 50% off most dresses, and you see they also have 50% off tops as well as off jeans and coats and jackets. So if you click on this shop now, you'll be taken to the catalog, that item that you selected, at a 50% discount. So if I scroll all the way to the bottom, you see that all of them have a 50% discount applied to them by default. And plus, if you have a discount code, you can as well still apply it to this item when you're shopping, just so that the discount will be way more favorable in your case. And yes, one thing with them is that the items are not always of quality, since they don't get things from major brands, just as options like ASOS. You typically be getting items from here, but one thing that I love with them is that when an item is good with them, it is great. You find it very interesting to use. And one way that I always refer to this Boohoo is the 50% discount guide. So what are you waiting for? Just head now and start shopping the 50% off guide. So the next affordable retailer that we have is Old Navy. Yes, I should have placed this Old Navy way earlier in this video, but I didn't do so for a reason. Because even though they have discount prices, they have incredible, or I can even say amazing discount prices as compared to the options that I've mentioned earlier. All Navy's quality are not the best in the market, but one thing with them is that when you get an item from them that is good, it is definitely great. And one of the items that you find very great from their catalogs are the jeans. Okay, typically in 90%, in 100 jeans, you find like 95 jeans that are very great. Okay, I also found out that most users have also shopped at this Old Navy and found jeans to be the incredible options to get from this clothing retailer. So when you come to the main website, you will see a whole lot of menu right here, this long menu. So now when you come to the trend, they also have the latest trends, but of not the best qualities. But if you find a trend that is actually in a good quality, you enjoy it definitely. And then what I love about them is this gift tab. Okay, this gift tab here lets you get gifts, incredible gifts on a daily basis. During this Black Friday period, the deals vary. Okay, the deals and discounts can go higher just as they can go lower, but during this period you'll find them going higher in most cases. My take or my advice with this retailer, I would advise that if you are looking to shop for jeans or pants, you want to shop at this Old Navy for affordable prices during this Black Friday. This is your destination for jeans and underwears within this Black Friday. So guys, those were the best affordable discount retailers this Black Friday. Okay, now if you notice, you will see that most of them typically feature women clothing. That's because women are the one leading the shopping spree or the shopping community. But if you dive deeper into the catalogs of most of these affordable brands, you'll find out that they have also catalogs have the feature items as well for men and kids as well. And if you are looking for a great way to shop for the whole family, you can visit brands just like Forever 21, ASOS, or even H&M for greater discounts. So now tell me, which of these brands are you or do you plan to visit? Let me know in the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and tap that notification bell down below to not miss my upcoming content. So I catch you in the next episode.